Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Crypto Explorer. In today's video, I'll be going over Ritocoin. So you can check out their website over here, ritocoin.org. And just a brief overview about Ritocoin. It is a fork of Ravencoin, and which Ravencoin uses the X21s, which is basically 16 different mining algorithms that happens randomly. But they've gone further, similar to Pigeon Coin, where they do a X21s, where it's 16 algorithms that is shuffled. They do that and add an additional 5 algorithms, and which one of the algorithms they add is Lyra 2Z, and as you can see in their website, it allows it to mine at cooler temperatures and does not have a high power requirement. So it's pretty neat. It's a fairly new project. It launched yesterday, so it was pretty crazy starting to mine it, because there were a lot of people just jumping in on mining. I personally expect it to die down a bit, because you have all these big mining farms that see a new coin out there, and then they just try to hit it early so they can just fill their pockets with the new coin, and then they leave afterwards because if the coin is not on market, it's not profitable for them to do it a long term if they are a mining farm that does it as a business. But anyway, that's what this project is about. So it does come with certain features that Ravencoin does, like the asset layer, which will be activated after so many blocks. But as you can see by their website, it is very, very new. It's hard to see where they're gonna go, but there's a couple of big differences that, besides being a fork that adds more algorithms, that interest me. So if we go to their Bitcoin talk thread, you can see here's their coin specs. It's basically 16 shuffled, followed by 5 other algorithms for their X21s. Block time is 1 minute, and it's similar to Ravencoin with 5,000 rito being the block reward, but 1% is to the dev fund. So this is built into the wallet. Total coin supply is over 21 billion, as you can see. And I think, I'm not sure what this number for, why is it, normally coins just make 21,000, but I don't know. Anyway, so the block size is 1 megabyte, and then as you can see, they have the asset layer from Ravencoin that will occur at block 50,000. And so out of every 5,000 rito to miners, 50 goes to the development fund. And here you can see some websites there. The website here earlier, their Block Explorer, Discord, GitHub, etc., and wallet. So as you can see, it's now on 3 small exchanges. So I'm not sure exactly what kind of volume there is, but that's pretty quick. And the other thing that kind of interests me in this coin was there was a mention of masternodes. Let's see if I can find it. Oh yeah, over here. So a roadmap for masternodes to be added and a strong community development emphasis. So I'm always interested in masternodes, and this being a fork of Ravencoin, a coin that I'm already interested in, is kind of even drew me more to at least mine this coin on day one and kind of learn more about it. Now, because everything is really new and it's not there's honestly not a lot of information. This is all pretty much speculative. I'll probably mine this coin for 2 weeks or so, and kind of keep up to see what's going on in the development with it. And from there, I'll probably make a decision whether or not I'm going to continue mining it or not. Because at the end of the day, what comes down to it is is the development of this project. If there's no development or there's no good roadmap out there or anything, just something to show me that this coin has a value beyond being just a fork of Ravencoin. Anyway, with that being said, let's get started with the wallet. So to download the wallet, if you go to their main website, you can see all the pools, but I don't see any direct link to their GitHub or anything. You can get a link to their Discord, but I would say it's better to just link to their Bitcoin Talk thread. And here you can see wallets. If you click here, and for Windows, you want to click here. Now, to save time, I've already downloaded it. So let's cancel and open the folder. So you're going to see here, it's the Rito 2.1.3.1. I'm going to right click it and extract all and click extract. So let me just minimize this over here. I'm going to open this Rito folder, and you're going to see these different subfolders. So it's a little confusing because you got to find where the Windows Qt wallet is, which is in the bin folder. So from there, I'm just going to copy this over here on the desktop. And then I'm going to double click it to run. Click more info and run anyway. And we're just going to use the defaults, but if you don't have a lot of storage on your main C drive, you probably want to change the data directory. And there we go. Now let's click allow access for the Windows firewall. Now let me just move this here and maximize this. So you can see it says it's 29 hours behind. Now, if you do have an issue syncing your wallet, what you can do is close out the wallet, and then in this search bar, just go %appdata %, and then hit enter, and then look for the Rito folder in here. So here's the Rito folder, and you can see there's some files here. You want to create a file called in a new text document, and then name it Rito, and then change the .txt to .conf. Click yes, and there you can open. If you right click and select open with, and then if you don't see Notepad up here, you might have to click more apps, but I've done this before. So Notepad I mean, and then click OK. And there you can add the nodes by, and I'll paste this in the description and click save. So just copy and paste the node information and click save. Then let's close it all up, and then we can restart the wallet again. Okay, now that the wallet is fully synced with the blockchain, there's a couple of basic things that needs to be done first. First thing you want to do is to encrypt your wallet. So we do that by clicking on wallet, encrypt, and putting a password twice, and then click OK. Click yes. And I usually like to do this before I send any large amounts of Rito or any kind of crypto into a new wallet. Click OK. And over there you can see that we have to restart the wallet. And as you can see now, it is locked over here. It is encrypted and currently locked. After I encrypt the wallet, the next thing I want to do is put a backup. So click on wallet, backup wallet, and I'm gonna just put it in my documents and call it Rito backup. Now, after everything has been set like this and it's been backed up, I'm gonna click file and Click on receiving addresses to create a receiving address. Click new and call it main. Click OK. I'm going to right click and copy address. Click close, and I'm going to do a test transaction and send only a single Rito to this new address just to make sure. And there you go. You see an incoming transaction. So we're good to go. Now at this point, I'd be comfortable in sending whatever Rito I mine or whatever Rito I've bought from an exchange. So just a brief overview of the wallet. As you can see, just like your standard Q2 wallet, you have your balances, you can send and receive, list of transactions, and what's not yet activated is the asset layer, where you can create assets, transfer, and manage assets. In here you can see it will be activated at block 50,000, and right now it is only at block 3,490. So once that is once it passes that threshold, then the asset layer will be active on this blockchain. So that's it for this video. I will probably do a mining video for Ritocoin since it is a new kind of algorithm. But for now, that's it. Thanks for watching.